Hi, ladies. Snowstorm's coming. About 2 hours and counting. This first snowflake's supposed to fall. Guess what? You can be stuck with your husband in a house for at least 2 days. So, you still gotta look good for him. I've already started. Put on my glorious, put on my flawless. I put on my blush, my minerals blush that I love. I've used my great new Moonstruck pencil, eyeliner pencil. Look how good I put it on. And I've used my 3D mascara, which I adore. Put it on one eye and not the other. So I ask you, you're stuck in the house with your old man or with somebody for 2 whole days? Gotta look nice. Do you want that person to see you looking with it like this or like this? You choose. I choose 3D mascara. Have fun in the snow.